Yo, what is up guys? Today is Monday, May 25th. It is Memorial Day and there's also no trading. And yeah, I'm not going to break down any trades because of course there's no trading. And if I pull up the charts, there's honestly nothing in here. The charts are pretty dead. The market is actually still going, but as you see, we're in this like tiny range right here. It doesn't look that tiny compared to this, but if you look at the candles, if I draw this marker right here, you can see that the candles are really tiny. So that's usually the sign that I don't take any trades. Like I can't take any single trade like this because I usually target like 30 points, right? So if I were to take a trade like this, it's like so risky because the volume is so slow and I just don't know where the market's going. And yeah, some people trade it, but I don't trade it. And I know that people want to trade, so they're just going to lose for no reason because they don't have any, the volatility is not there. So I'm not going to trade. I'm not trading today. So it's like a slow week. I have Tuesday to Friday. And if you guys watched my other video, I did blow my account. So all I've been doing just back testing like how I normally do, and it's given me a couple days to realize what I did and just, you know, reflect back on myself and my trading. Right now this is my practice account, so I don't have my express account because it's gone. So right now I am just back testing the whole time. Moving forward, I am going to try Lucid. A lot of people were talking about this prop firm, and right now they have a pretty good discount. It's like 50% off if you use this code right here. I am going to go to Lucid Flex, get the 50k Flex eval, and it's actually pretty cheap. So it's cheaper than Top Step, so I'm going to do that. And the profit targets, the fees, all that type of stuff, the drawdown, it's all similar to Top Step, so I don't mind it, and it's also cheaper, so I am going to try it. About this part, I don't really know because I haven't done it yet. I want to try TradingView. Like I want to trade on my TradingView, but it's like people are saying it's not good, so I'm going to try TradeC because a lot of people were talking about that. So I'm going to try that out and then see where it goes. But it's just a prop firms, nothing crazy. And I had to start again with a combine. It sucks, but that's what I'm gonna do moving forward. What I also been doing was that, of course, I've been self-reflecting and looking at my mistakes. I did talk a lot about it on my previous video, but I am gonna start also using FX replay right here. It's kind of funny because I did use it for like one day on like one of the other weeks. I think maybe like 2 weeks ago. I used it for like one day, and I didn't even use it for a day. I was just using it for like probably 30 minutes or so. I just didn't like how the platform was, and I just canceled my membership. It was like a free trial and I had 5 days left, but then I was like, fuck it, I'm not even gonna try anymore because I just didn't like it. What's the point of doing that when I can just backtest on my TradingView? And I also have TradeZella, which I can also backtest. But the thing about FX replay though, it has the 1 second chart, so you can put the 1 second and just like play it out. It does play the 1 second chart. It's not exactly like the live markets, but it does replicate it. It does kind of do it, and it's better than nothing. And I've done the 1 minute before where I'll just go to 1 minute chart and then I'll just like play like this. That's how you normally trade, right? Or that's how I normally backtest. And this thing is good. It's good to get reputation in. And I've done a lot of backtesting. I've backtested the same year so many times already. And eventually I get into the rhythm of just like remembering my trades. Let's say this trade, of course it is the new year, so like this year every single trade that I took I remember. So it's like I'm backtesting and then I already remember the trade. So it's like it's kind of hard to like you know, learn if I'm just remembering the trades I took, because I know exactly what's good and what's not good because I just actually took trades on that day. So it's like it's easy. If I backtest the other years like 2025, it's harder because I don't know it. I haven't traded the ICT back then, so it's like I'm learning. But once I keep doing it and I keep doing it, most of the trades, or like half the trades, or I don't know, not all the trades, but like I think a good amount of the trades I remember. That's why I just know it. I just take the same trades because I just know it. And although that's making my win rate higher, it's not the best learning tool. Over my backtesting, I've gotten better over time. Like when I first started, I started doing like 40%, 50%. And then later, some months I got 60, 70%. I couldn't really see myself getting like 80, 90% or 100% at all. Because I keep backtesting it, keep going the same months. And I'm like, yeah, I don't know what the hell. I don't know how people are doing this because I can never get to that. But then eventually after doing it like 4 or 5 times, like after the same times, I'm actually getting higher win rates. And it's a good feeling. But it's not really reflecting back on my trading because like why am I not getting that percentage when I'm actually like live, you know? But of course the thing about that is like live is different. You have more psychology, you have more psychological problems, and you have to deal with your emotions. When you're backtesting, you're just like looking at the 1 minute time frame, and it's like it's just like this. Like you see it displays, and then maybe I take trades like this because I see it. But if I don't see it and I just see it live like this, like as it's displacing, it's like way different like this. See, I don't know where it's going because of course it's a 1 second chart, so it's harder. Although it's like taking more time because I'm literally just waiting 1 second each time. It's taking forever, but I can also speed it up too. So what I've been doing is that I've been putting in 5 seconds chart. I've been obviously marking out my draws or whatever, going to 1 minute time frame like how I normally do. I go 5 seconds and then I pretty much skip through everything. And then when I see a setup that I like, I just go to the 1 second time frame and I just wait for what I like. And if I see it, of course, I just like enter the trade like this and like how I normally do, and then just let it play out. So it's a lot better than actually doing the 1 minute time frame. So I'm gonna play around with this for a bit, maybe a month. I'm hoping that it makes me a better trader because I'm actually backtesting more with actual live markets, or at least replicating it, and also fixing my mistakes, and also using this as a tool to help me get better. The other thing is like I've been FOMOing in trades, and the reason why I've been FOMOing in trades is because I've been trying to take a lot of setups. My model is that I can see a lot of setups, so that's why when I backtest, I can take all these trades. But am I actually going to take it in the live markets? So that's why when I've been backtesting, I've been trying to take trades that actually I like taking. I'm not just going to take a trade because, oh, I think it works, so I just take it. If I keep doing that, it's going to make me trade like that in the live markets. Recently though, I think just in the beginning of the month or just before that, I started to really dive deep into my strategy more and then just focus on what I like taking. So when I've been backtesting, I've been taking a lot less trades. And although it's a lot less trades, I'm just trying to prioritize what my setups are, and that even though I'm not taking as many trades like every single day, I'm building better habits. And also, you don't need to take a trade every day because I'm taking trades every day and I'm losing. So what I need to do is just focus on taking less trades so that I have less losses. Those days that I'm losing, let's take it out, and then now I'm gonna be winning more because I have a better win rate, right? That's what I'm trying to focus on. It's like taking the quality setups that I like. And it's easy to say that because I've been saying that for a while, like, oh, this only take A+ setups. And when you're actually live trading, there's like so many different setups, and you FOMO trades, you do this and you do that. It's like, it's not as easy as I say it is. That's why I'm trying to build it more. And the reason why I'm FOMOing trades is because I'm trying to take everything. And then although I like the trade is still good and it fits my playbook and it can work. But the reason why I'm FOMOing it because it's not really the trades that I like my A+ setup. So then I get into the trade so late because I feel like it's going to work, which it actually does work, but I'm so late in the trade because I'm not confident in it. That's why I need to avoid these trades because these are not my trades that I really like taking. So I need to go back to my roots and just like take what I really like taking. That's why this FX replays will help me take the trades that I actually like, because I can actually see it live markets. It'll help me like not FOMO any trades. And I honestly couldn't see it right away because when I back tested my other months, I've done really good. Right now my win rate is like 80%, 90%, so it's like pretty good. Sometimes 100%, which I never thought I would ever get. But of course it's just backtesting, right? And then when I traded in this, one of the months I got like under 50%. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Like, this shit is actually like pretty much like live markets. Like, I'm taking trades and I'm like, what the hell is going on? Because I'm not like waiting for confirmation, or I'm not waiting enough for this. I really do believe that this will help me, and that I just need more time to just keep backtesting a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much my update for now. I am going to be using Lucid for the next coming weeks and everything, so I'll see how it is. That's just like a little small update, nothing much else because there's no trading today. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, like I say in every single video, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Keep staying disciplined, keep staying consistent, and let's just get 1% better every day, and I'll see you in the next one.